Hello everyone, Namaste, it's me Vivek Shrestha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a video on how to calculate correlation on Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's start it. First of all, open your Microsoft Excel on your PC or laptop. Here I have some data. Let's find its correlation. First of all, select your data. Click on Data tab. Click on Data Analysis. Select Correlation. Click on OK button. Select Input Range. Click Labels in first row. Now select your output options. For example, if you want your output on same sheet, then click on Output Range and click wherever you want your output. Now click on OK button. You have got your output. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all like this video. Do like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more informational videos. Thank you all. Bye bye.